Welcome, friends, in Science Lecture First, Lesson 16, Sustainable Management and Natural Resources. In this particular chapter, as the word itself suggests about sustainable management, which suggests about living in harmony with nature, right? Living with harmony with nature is not new to us because this is called as a sustainable living. Why it is not new to us? Because the same phrase in Sanskrit is nothing but Vasudev कुटुम कुटुम्बकम है ना. The Vasudev Kutum that we have been hearing from very long, that means that the entire earth is one single family, one family itself. The phrase is mentioned in Mahu Panishad, that is probably a part of an ancient Atharved. Fine. Our natural resources, basically we before that as means like soil, air, water, and how various components are cycled over and over again in nature. Fine. So thinking about how we ought to be using our resources so as to sustain them and conserve our environment. Be looking at our natural resources like we are looking at our natural resources like so that we can conserve our environment are forest, wildlife, water, coal, and petroleum. Right, these are our natural, and stake is declining. These all stake, petroleum stake, wildlife stake, forest stake, water stake is reducing, that is declining. How these resources are to be managed for sustainable development? So this is a big challenge for us nowadays, that how we can manage these non-renewable resources and renewable resources that are getting extinct. Development along with the input from our traditional practices. So this is also coming to a point that our traditional practices are also harming this particular environment. There are international laws and regulations, and then there are our own national laws and acts of environmental protection. So there are international laws and national laws, both are put inside so that we can save our environment. In this particular framations, awareness about the problems caused, that is an unthinkingly exploitation our resources, has been fairly recent phenomena in our society. That means we are unthinkingly what we are doing, exploiting our society resources, and we are not taking any awareness from that what we are doing. Especially the plant of Ganga that we have taken in action plan, the multi-crore projects was established in 1985 because of the quality of the water in the Ganga was very poor. Coliform, this is a group of bacteria found in human intestine, which is a presence in water, indicates the contamination diseases causing microorganisms. So this is a graph of different areas showing the out of 100 ml the percentage of bacteria that is present in human beings. Fine. And this is the lines for 2011 and red line for 2007. So how it was below, lower down, and how it has got increased. You may see the peaks of blue line maximally getting more. Right. So this is a problematic thing, that we are getting this thing is more and more, except like Behrampur and Dwarkaneshwar. These are the two places that we find a red line above, that is it has got drooped down, whereas in the other areas there is a sharp peak which is rising, which is showing the more and more contamination of the water. Now, pollution of Ganga. Ganga is a very long river running from Himalayas range 2500 kilometers, that is Ganga Sagar, that is up till Bay of Bengal, going from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, and many different states, West Bengal and all. Pollution caused by other human activities like bathing, washing of clothes, immense of ashes, that is after burned or unburned corpus, that is been put inside, and other industrial contributions, that is a contribute like chemical influence to the Ganga pollution. All the chemicals are all plants, the waste are put inside the Ganga water, which is loading the toxicity in the water, which kills the fishes. That is a large biodiversity which is living in water is been killed, and last section of the river. Fine. So this is a big problem which is killing the bacteria, the living organisms which are there. That is a life cycle in water. That is the river water is being drooped down. Fine. So you have understood how this particular pollution is getting problematic for these rivers and all the living creatures are getting harmed, and the humans are itself also getting harmed with respect to it. Fine. So we'll keep up till here. Thank you.